These crispy samosas are stuffed with a delicious chicken 65 filling. This is made with small pieces of marinated chicken, which are first deep fried. Onion, chili, curry leaves are sauteed together, ginger and garlic paste is added, together with turmeric, chili powder, pepper, and cumin powder. Finally, chili paste and salt is added, and the cooked crispy chicken is mixed together with some food coloring. Finally, some cooked peas and coriander are mixed in as well. This filling is then stuffed into a samosa wrapper and deep fried. To make the filling, start with 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces. I've used chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast as well if you like. And I just cut this into small pieces. To marinate it, I'm going to add salt to taste, a quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, a half a cup of cornstarch, and half of a beaten egg. And mix this well together. Heat some oil and gently drop in the chicken pieces and allow these to cook on all sides. The pieces are so small, so they shouldn't take long to cook. Once done, just remove it on some kitchen towel and continue cooking the rest of the chicken. Now heat up some oil and add 2 cups of chopped onion. Allow the onion to cook and then add in 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies. I'm also going to add half a cup of curry leaves that really gives a distinct flavor to the chicken 65. Saute this together and add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix it all together. Now I'm going to add some powdered spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I'm going to mix it all together. Also add in 2 tablespoons of chili paste or sambal olek and salt and mix it together. Finally, I'm going to add in all of the chicken. Toss this together in the gravy. I will be using some powdered red food coloring. I just add a little water to it and add it in. Of course, this is totally optional. You can omit the food color if you wish. To finish this off, I'm just going to add half a cup of cooked peas and half a cup of coriander, and I'm going to mix this together. Allow the filling to cool. To make the samosas, I'm going to be using samosa wrappers. It's very similar to a spring roll wrapper. If you can't find samosa wrappers, you can just cut some spring roll wrappers into strips. Place one on the board and fold it over like this. Add a little bit of flour paste just to hold it together. Cup it in your hands and add the filling inside. Close it on one side and tuck in the remaining strip and secure everything with a little bit of flour paste. Continue making these and keep them aside. If you plan to make these ahead, they freeze really well. This batch will make about 30 samosas. This is optional, but when I fry it, I like to throw in some curry leaves into the oil just to flavor it. And I'm going to deep fry the samosas and keep them aside. Serve these freshly fried with some chili sauce or ketchup and enjoy.